Let me tell you, this fort is tremendous. I've built some great things in my time. But this is huge. What's it called again?
Sir, it's the Ember Fort, a UNESCO World Heritage Site.
UNESCO, sounds fancy. I like it. So, what's the deal with this place?
It was built in the 16th century by Raja Man Singh and expanded by his descendants. It's a stunning example of Rajput architecture.
Listen, folks, secrets at Amber Fort. They don't last. It's like Twitter over there. The walls, they talk, believe me. The original social network, before social networks were even a thing.
That you forgot the past. I see you happy in your life. Something's not clear, and I don't see it.
The Sheesh Mahal is known for its intricate mirror work, reflecting the candlelight beautifully.
Candlelight? Huh? I prefer gold-plated chandeliers. But this is nice too. Classy. Let me tell you, my buildings are also smashing. I've got towers, casinos, everything. But I need me an elephant. That elephant. I've been to a lot of forts in my time, but let me tell you about this one, folks. It's a fort like no other, believe me.
That you feel hurt or that you miss me. I do not understand this. I do not understand this. Baby, your love is like fire, it's burning my heart and my body. I do not understand this. I do not understand this. If you were in love, if you were in love, tell me if you're nice. Oh yeah, call me in the night. Yeah.
So, I'm seriously considering it, folks. An elephant. Great memory, big ears, and they say they bring good luck. I'm thinking, why stop at one? Bob, let's get a whole flock of elephants.
Sir, it's a herd of...
Yes! You heard me. 4, no 6. Place the order, Bob.
Oh God.
एक आदमी